How to create restricted products in StoreConnect. Restricted products allows you to control the purchasability or even the visibility of particular products on your store and restricts it only to approved customers. Let's take a look at how this works and how you can do it. If I go to my products list view here, I'm going to select a product to create a restricted product out of. In this case, I'll choose my Steve plushie, which for whatever reason, this stuffed Tasmanian devil is suddenly a restricted product. To set this up, you use the price book entry itself. So if I go to the standard price book price entry for the Steve plushie, I'll view the record. And on this page, there are some additional fields I can add to this page layout to make this function. So if I go up to the setup cog, click edit page. From here, I'll click fields. I'll click and drag a new field section onto the page. I'll give it a name, restricted. Then I'll scroll down and add the following 3 fields to this section. Display if restricted, as well as restricted and restricted text. I'll now save this. I'll go back to the page, refresh. Now I have these 3 new fields available on my price book entry page layout. So first of all, if I edit this one and check the restricted box, this will make this product restricted. If I desire it to have a custom text for the status of being restricted, I can enter it here. And then with this checkbox, I can then decide if it will display at all on the store if it's restricted. So if I have this set as is, and click Save now. Now if I go back to my product record and click Sync Recent Price Changes, once that's ready, I'll return to the page, click Refresh, and now you'll see that this product has become restricted, and my restricted text has shown up in place of the normal price. There's also a message indicating that it is restricted, and me as the customer does not have approval to purchase this item. Now if I return to the price book entry record again, and I uncheck the display if restricted box, save this, this now gives us another option. I'll sync price changes again, return to the site, refresh the page, and now even with the exact URL, this product is no longer to be found on the store at all. But now let's look at how to show this product to approved customers. So to do this, I'll return to the back end. I'll go to my accounts list view, and I'll select an account which I want to enable to purchase this restricted product. So here I'm in the account. I'll go to additional relationships, and here you'll see permitted restricted products. I'll click new. Here I have the account, assign it to the store, then select which product they are enabled to buy. So here I'll select the Steve plushie product. I can then set the starting and even an end date of their approval period. So I'll set this to a date in the past to make it approved right now and end the approval in a week's time. I can then set an approved quantity of this product which this account is allowed to purchase. Otherwise I can click unlimited. If there is an approved quantity set, I can enter a number here and it will then track and show in the purchased quantity field here how many get purchased in the future. And once it hits the approved quantity, the product will then become restricted to them again. So if I save this, I'll then return to the store website and I'll log in as this customer account. So here I'm now logged in. Now if I go to the products page, and voila, you'll now see that this product is enabled to buy for this customer account. It still displays the restricted message, as well as how many I'm approved to buy. The price is also now displayed, and I have the option to add it to cart. So if I go ahead and buy this now, I'll buy 3, go through checkout, make payment, and that's all successful. Now if I return to this customer's account and refresh, and I'll relook at additional relationships and open the record in permitted restricted products, you'll now see that the purchased quantity is updated to 3. So this person's now purchased 3 out of their approved 5 amounts of this product. If at any time a refund is needed on restricted products, then you'll need to go over to this tab here and edit it and check void. Saving this will then reverse their purchased quantity so they can then buy more of their approved quantity. And that's the basics of setting up restricted products in StoreConnect.